Alright, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today, last time, before we continue with today's training on this structure, knowing fully where we are using a Protastructure 2025. So, last time we were able to reach this stage, but if you notice, last time some of our members were failing, and because of time we could not make them pass the design. So today that's what we are going to be doing, and I'm going to be explaining some things to us, because if you look at this one passed the design, this one passed, this one also passed, then if you move further, this one also passed the design, and the last one passed the design. But these three, 1, 2 and 3, did not pass the design. I mean the trusses. So in that case, now we have to make it pass. Is that okay? So after we have made it pass, I will now explain. I pray I remember. I will now explain some things to you when it comes to detailing of this kind. Is that okay? All right. So, but before we proceed, I want to say thank you for all of you that have been, liking the video. Each time I post this particular video, people have been liking and also commenting. Some are commenting. So your comment is also very, very vital. Is that okay? Don't just like. Also comment. Is that okay? Either you have learned one or two things, or there's something you observe, make that comment so that from there we will know your challenge or challenges. Is that okay? And if there's any question, you can also ask. Is that okay? All right. So I haven't explained that now. We also have what we call a Ekidel mentorship class. This class, this way we expose you to so many things. In fact, you will handle life project. We'll give you life project to handle. You will handle it before you graduate. That will be a project life that you are going to give to the client. Is that okay? So this training is very, very important, because from there you will have your confidence in whatever thing you are doing when it comes to design. That is Ekidel for you. All right. So we are not just going to train you with anything other thing. We are going to train you with life projects. Live designs. Is that okay? All right. And we are going to be having your assignment done, and at the same time we will give you a live project. We'll handle it together from the client, how we are relating with the client, and all of that. All will be done. So if you want to know much about this, you need to do what? Enroll for our Ekidel mentorship training. Is that okay? All right. Having said that now, so the next thing is how to make this one pass our design. And don't forget, as good as this design may be, or you might have done it well loaded and everything is perfectly done here, if it's not properly detailed, definitely it can still lead to what? To collapse. So in that case, now we have a software called Stonebridge Detailing Template. That software is globally accepted, in the sense that the detailing is very, very what? Perfect. Is that okay? All right. So you can lay your hand on the software. Is that okay? If you can see it from click on the link button, and you can have access or chat us up through the WhatsApp number below. Is that okay? And if you need this particular software, Protastructure, you can also let us know any software that you are in need of. Is that okay? All right. Having explained that, now we now go further and see how we can handle this member that is failing. Now, for you to handle it after you have done all of this, if you want to know how we have done this, please try and watch the previous video we have done on this structure. Is that okay? All right. And if you also look at it, you can see that they are of different levels. Can you see it? They are of different levels. So that is that. Okay. So for us to make this one pass now, what I will do now is to click on this. I'll click on it. Some can right click. If I right click now, for example, right click, I'll come to where? To this place where we are seeing a still member design. Is that okay? Still member design. Or once I just click on it, can you see it here? Can you see it here? I'll now come here and click on this particular one, still member design. Once I click on it, so wait for it to come up. Is that okay? All right. So when it comes to staircase, we have a software called Protastructure, which is very, very fantastic in designing your staircase. Even though Protastructure 2026 has that what we call a staircase design, but don't forget that it's not everybody that have the capacity to get that software 26 version, because it's a little bit expensive, you understand. But notwithstanding, if you want to get it, you can still get it, understand. But if you are still working based on Protastructure 2025 downward, you will definitely need that software called Cases Soft to enable you to design your staircase within a tick of an eye. Is that okay? All right, so that is that. Okay, so if you now look at it now, it's failing here, showing us what failed here. Is that okay? So since it's failing, what do we do? I'll click on this one and come to this page called what? Change section. Is that okay? I'll click on change section. Is that okay? Because we need to change the section. Then once you have done that, don't forget we are using a what? Angle iron. Can you see it now? But double. Is that okay? This is double. This is for single. Is that okay? Click on single. That is that. But if it's for double, we are using double. Can you see it here? Is that okay? So, and we are using a BS type of member. So I'll now click on this. Okay. So the one we use that field is 90 by 90 by 12. So I will now use 100 by this. Let me use this one and see the difference. Let's click on this and then click on OK, and let's wait for it. It's rolling. Let's see if it will pass. No, it's not passing. So we also go back again. That means there's a serious load there. Okay, come here now and use this. Let's wait for it and see. Okay, remain small. Okay, not even small. Come back here. Let me just use by 75 by 12. This one, it depends on you. You can take your time to see how you can be picking, the steel. Let me use this one by 800 by 100 by 8. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, remain small. There's much load there. Okay, so in our detailing, that particular one have to be detailed separately. Let me just use this one and let's see. Okay, correct. So can you see now? It has now passed the design. Can you see? It has shown us pass. Is that okay? So if this one has shown us pass, but if you look at this one, we are having this. Let me see. Can I see? Go ahead. Let me see what we have. We have this. If I go with this and this one is, let me see. I'm coming. We are going to do some judgment here. Okay. I'm coming. Let's see here. 120 by this. Let me use this one by 15 that we have used before. Let me see what we have. Okay. So if you look at the deflection, in terms of deflection, it's 0.5 less than 57, which means there's no deflection. And the major problem is what? Deflection. Is that okay? And if you look at it, there's no deflection. The difference is very high, isn't it? It's very high, and it has also passed design here, so we can ignore this slenderness ratio. Is that okay? Yes, slenderness ratio, we can see the difference between them, but despite that it's slender, but it can still pass the design, so we can let go of this, and then that is that. I'll come here now again. Since what I use, we use 100 by 100 by 15. So let me come back here. Let me come back here. That's this one that is not passing. Click on this one and then click on this one. We are using 100 by 100 by 15. Then I'll come here now. That's both top and bottom. Correct. Can you see? 0.6. Can you see now? 0.6 by less than what? 54. Is that okay? And look at it. It has passed the design. So at this point now, I will now click on OK. And once I click on OK, so I'll come here now, click on this. Now, if I should click on this one now, OK, it might request me to do what? To reanalyze and design. Is that okay? Let me click on this. Let's see. Okay, let me now do like this. Okay, can you see it? Let me click somewhere else. Can you see? Let me undo and redo. Let me see, undo, then redo. Okay, sorry, undo. Correct. So can you see it now? Because I'm using Protastructure 2025. Is that okay? So can you now see that it has what? Passed the design. Is that okay? It has now passed the design. So the same thing, I'll go for this other one and do the same thing. The same thing I've done there, I'll also do it on this other ones. Is that okay? So let me pause the video and let's see. If there's any changes, I'll let you know. So as you can see it now, you can see that yes, they have all now passed the design. Can you see it? This is a proper design. With this, you know that your structure is safe. So you can see as we have made those ones that are failing, and we have made them pass the design, so you can see them perfectly okay now. So that is that. So this way we are going to be stopping. So next time we now talk of how to, since we are dealing with steel, not the foundation, so next time we now see how we can do our connections, and from there are things I will be explaining, in which once you understand it, you discover that you will be interested in designing steel than maybe concrete. Is that okay? All right, so let me keep that one till that time. So I want to say, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Is that okay? The subscribing is what is free, and when you subscribe, please don't forget to also click on notification bell, so that anytime we release any video, you'll be notified. Is that okay? All right, that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video, I want to say bye.